so let's jump straight into it. We made our bundle one. This is like the lip bundles and stuff, which is going to show later on. This is our prices one. I like this one. I really just like the pink. Like, I love that pink and how the gold went with it. So, went back and did the bundles. This is a list of our bundles. Lip care bundle, our fly girl bundle. Lip. This whole time I thought that said lip addict the whole time. Like, I really am mad at myself because I'm like, I'm not gonna change the name now. I put too much stuff out with it. But I really thought it was lip addict, and it's not. It's lip addicted. So yeah, that's our lip addicted bundle. And of course I had to go back and put them in alphabetical order because it's to me if it's not in alphabetical order. I have a problem with that. So yeah. Then I went back and I did my top layers after I did the bottom layer and added a little bit of outline into it. And my eyes. Shoot. But yeah, went back and did the layers. And I'm really like mad at myself that says lip addicted. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I just really kept reading lip addict, lip addict, lip addict. I guess because how it's pronounced, I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, once we finish those, we just save them. Then we finish everything, we save it. Then we went to the prices part. I'm like, do I want to do an outline for it? Like, box it in like that. Trying to see how I wanted it and how I didn't want it. I'm like, I don't know. And then I found this. This was so cute to me. Like a nice, cute little computer screen type of thing. You know me, you know. I love this stuff. I wanted to do anything, everything girly. A lot of pink. That is like my favorite. One of my favorite colors that would be considered girly. That's what I'm going to say. So I did pink and I did my eye. I did the list for all my prices and everything, and I still have not gotten my rose gold wands, but I guess I could share what they look like. They're these thick gold wands. Probably gonna show on my TikTok or Instagram page, so be sure to follow me on there. But yeah, we still haven't gotten the wands in, sadly, but they're cute and they fit with the glosses and everything. It's a cute, nice size and all that. So we went back and we started doing our prices for the lip scrubs, and we're gonna start just getting prices done for everything, and that's basically what we're doing right now. Once again, do not mind any of my pictures because that's my business, not yours. You don't get paid to mind it. But this is really where we did not do a lot of our outline that we didn't know until later, because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just do the black. Calm down, baby. I'm gonna do the black first, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add the colors. That's how I decided to save it. One, that was a waste of camera space because I had double the photos. Two, it was a waste of time basically because I did not do the outline like I needed to, so it really messed a lot of stuff up. But I'm like, I'm getting tired. This is actually taking longer than I thought. Being an entrepreneur is so damn hard. So I'm just like, shoot. Let me just hurry up and get this done. I know I need to make sure I have the main important thing is what I'm working on now, my payment stuff and the shipping, because I cannot make payments. I can't accept payments through my website. So you could like look and shop and put stuff in your cart, but you can't finalize the order on the website, which is why a lot of times, I let y'all know, DM me. You can send a screenshot of it or just DM me what you want. We could do it like that. And for shipping, I need to get that done too, because of course you need to know how you're gonna get your order. Duh. But yeah, so that's just what I'm doing now. Making sure I got that stuff out the way. Then I'm like, okay, this last video, I'm going to show you everything that I did get done and everything else. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.